Create a view in Revit. Select the SBIM CoDesign AI plugin. Log into SBIM CoDesign AI. Click on the plus symbol to capture a screenshot of the view in Revit and start. Create a new image. Assign a title to the image. Select a proposal mode. Set the image style. Set the lighting type. Provide additional suggestions. Click on Generate New Image. Compare the original image with the generated image. View the final image in full screen or compare it with the original image. Open the rendering in Revit using the SBIM CoDesign AI command or by selecting the view directly from the project browser in Revit. Open the 3D view related to the Revit image. Create a new image clicking on Import Style from Reference Image. Upload the reference image. Click on Process New Image and choose whether to replace the existing image or create a new one. Compare the differences between the original image and the generated one. Click on Customize. Within the menu, select the customized suggestions and view the regenerated image. Compare the differences between the original image and the new one. Choose the image to compare. Click on Enhance HQ. Select in the menu, Image Quality. Open the Creativity menu and choose an option. Click on Process New Image. Select Full Screen and review the final result.